everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable restricted mode on YouTube, which helps filter out potentially inappropriate content. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select your user profile icon at the top right. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to go down and select where it says restricted mode. If it currently says off, we're going to go ahead and turn it on by clicking inside of here. And then activate restricted mode, toggle it to the on position by clicking inside this oval. Please note that this helps hide potentially mature videos. However, no filter is 100% accurate, as well as this setting only applies to this browser. Go ahead and activate restricted mode, and that should be it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.